Ngihlale ngibuza njalo ngithi
I always ask myself this question.
onjani lo muntu
What type of a person is this?
ongathi enamandla onke
When he had all the power
asezulwini
from
nasemhlabeni.
heaven and from earth.
Uthi omunye ubhala kahle
One who writes, he says,
he could have called
ubengabiza
10,000 angels
ingelosi ezinkulungwane eziyishumi
to defend him.
ukuthi ayivikele.
He could have done that.
Bengakwenza lokho.
As if bekunganele.
As if it was not enough.
Amazwi okuqala kaJesu amathathu esiphambanweni
His first 3 words on the cross
had nothing to do with him.
ayengahlanganise lutho naye,
It had everything to do with other people.
ayehlangane nabanye abantu.
That is why ekuqaleni ethi
Ingakho when he said in the beginning,
Nkosi bathethelele
Father, forgive them,
ngoba bakwazi
for
abakwenzayo.
they don't know what they are doing.
Luke 23 verse 43.
Luke 23 verse 43.
Then Jesus said,
uJesu wayesethi,
let me give a short background.
ake ngithi unikezela nje usendlalelo.
Verse 39.
Verse 39.
One of the criminals
Omunye wegebengu
who was hung
owayebethelwe
insulted Jesus.
wamthuka uJesu.
He said, are you not the Messiah?
Wathi wena usiyena umsindisi,
Save yourselves
sisindise wena
and save us too.
ubusu uyasindisa nathi.
But the other criminal
Kodwa esinye segebengu
rebuked the other one
wasithethisa lesesinye,
and said to him,
wathi kuye,
don't you fear God,
kodwa wena umsaba uNkulunkulu,
since we are under the same sentence.
njengoba nathi sizofa njengaye.
We are punished.
Thina siyajeziswa,
We are getting a punishment
sithola thina isijeziso
for what we did
ngesikwenzile,
and we deserve it.
sikufanele futhi.
But this man
But le ndoda
has done nothing wrong.
ayenzanga lutho lubi.
Jesus was listening.
uJesu wayelalele,
They were arguing amongst themselves.
babephikisana bobabili.
Then Jesus turned his head
uJesu waphendula ikhanda
to
lakhe,
look at the other sinner
ebheka lo munye lesinye isoni,
who spoke to him and said,
lo wakhuluma kuye wathi,
Jesus,
Jesu
remember me
uzongikhumbule
when you come into your kingdom.
uma usufika embusweni wakho.
Then Jesus answered,
uJesu wayesephendula
truly,
wathi, ngiqinisile,
truly,
wathi ngiqinisile,
today
ngithi kuwe namuhla
I will be with you
ngizobe nginawe
in paradise.
eparadise.
Izwi lesibili uPastor T Mputi.
Amalako alikikamani alipo elimnade amalako amalako izolibonga izolibonga Jesu ngiyabonga when the Lord Jesus Christ
ngenkathi inkosi uJesu Kristu
was hanging on the cross of Calvary,
elenge esiphambanweni
we
eKhalvari,
learn that multitudes were around him.
siyafunda ukuthi ixuku zazimzungezile,
They stood, some amazed.
bama bemangele.
But the chief priests who were in their midst
Kodwa inkosi abaphristi
and the
yayikhona
elders that were there,
nabadala babekhona,
they began to mock Jesus.
baqala bahlekisa ngaye.
When they mocked Jesus,
ngesikhathi behlekisa
he
ngaye,
did not focus on what they are saying.
akazange abheke ababekusho.
Kuthi ngithi kuwena
Now it
namhlanje,
says to you today,
abantu ngeke bahlale bekushayela
people are
izandla.
not always going to clap hands for
When
you.
things are not coming their way,
Uma izinto zingahambi
where God
kahle,
is elevating you,
ngenkathi uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa,
don't even listen to what they say,
ungabalalela abantu
but
abakushoyo.
look unto the author and the finisher of your faith.
Umbhalisi nomqesi womphelisi
Now,
wempilo.
when they were mocking him,
ngesikhathi behlekisa
they
ngaye
said, see,
bathi mbheke
you saved others.
usindisa abanye
Why don't you save yourself?
kungani ungayisindisi wena
The criminal who was on the cross,
isigebenga
he
sasesiphambanweni
says, are you not
kodwa
God?
wena usiyeni
Are you
uNkulunkulu
not the Messiah?
awusiyi umesaya
Why don't you save yourself and us?
ungayisindisi wena nathi
What kind of conversation is this?
inhloboni engxoxo le
This other criminal was saying to him,
esinye isegebengu sathi kuye
you and I are being punished
thina nawe sibe siyajeziswa
for what we have done.
ngalokho esikwenzile
And this is what we deserve.
yilokho esikufanele
Engathi ngimuzwa ethi,
I heard him saying
Nkosi Jesu,
Lord Jesus
ngicela ungikhumbule mawungena embusweni wakho.
remember me when you enter into your heaven.
uJesu waphendula wathi kuye,
Jesus answered and said to him,
tsatsing la kasheno
namhlanje
ke tla ba le wena
ngizoba
paradising
nawe
yaka.
paradise likababa.
Engathi uma umoya wombuso ukuvukela,
When the strong wind of the evil rise against
you
you,
may not leave your place,
ungayishiya indawo
but
yakho,
stand your ground,
ime endaweni yakho,
knowing that greater is he
wazi ukuthi
that is
mkhulu
you than he
lo kuwe
that
kunosezweni
is in the world.
kunalosezweni.
For when you call,
Ngoba
the
umumbiza
Lord will answer.
inkosi
The
izophendula.
criminal who was dying
Isigebengu
called
sasifa
upon the Lord,
kodwa sabiza
and
inkosi
immediately he was redeemed,
washesha
and he was in paradise.
wayeseparadise.
When you call, the
umumbiza
Lord will answer.
inkosi
But
izophendula.
when you cry,
Kodwa wena uma
the Lord
ukhala
will say, here I am. The
inkosi izothi khona la.
blind beggar,
Inkosi lo
Bartimaeus,
uBartimaeus
who was begging daily,
owayecela
he
insuku
cried
zonke
out to Jesus.
wakhala
He
kuJesu
says,
wathi
Jesus,
Jesu
Son of David,
ndodana
have
kaDavide
mercy on me. They
ngihawukele.
began to silence him.
Baqala
They
bamthulisa
say, you are shouting,
bathi ngumsindo
you are making noise,
Wakuba ngumsindo.
you are embarrassing us.
uyahlasa
Don't listen to the people.
ungamlalela abantu
Focus at the Master,
bheka kuma
the
kuJesu
author and the
umbhali
finisher of your faith.
nomphelisi wokholo lwethu.
What are we learning
Sifunda ntoni
in
la
this message of salvation?
kulo myalezo wosindiso?
We see the grace and mercy of God.
Sibona umusa kaJesu.
What is the grace of God?
Uyini umusa kaNkulunkulu?
The favor you don't even deserve.
Umusa ongawufanele.
I have this beautiful house,
Ngisendlini
but
enhle
I don't know how I got it.
kodwa ngazi ukufika
That is
kanjani.
the blessings of the Lord.
Wona musa lo.
Yesterday I was chased by criminals.
bekusho
They
isigebengu.
shot, I'm still alive.
Bathi kodwa ngisaphila.
Yesterday, the same route I traveled on,
Izolo
people
bengahamba.
died, but I'm still alive.
Abantu bafile kodwa
Why
ngiyaphila.
you?
Kungani wena?
Greater is he in you
Uthi mkhulu ongakuwe.
than he that is in the
Kunalo
world.
sezweni.
Number two,
Okwesibili,
what is this mercy?
uyini lo musa?
The withholding,
Ukubanjwa, ukubanjelelwa.
the withholding of the judgment
Ukubanjwa kokwahlulelwa
that was due to you.
obufanele.
God
uNkulunkulu
will never allow anything wrong to happen to you,
akayovuma ukuthi kube wehlela
but he will
lokubi.
always and forever have your
Ngoba
interest.
njalo uzokunakekela.
When you are relying on his grace, when you are relying on his mercy,
uthembele emseni
when you
wakhe.
walk wherever you are,
Uma noma ukuphi la
say
ukhona.
surely
Uthi qinisile.
goodness and mercy
Okuhle nomusa
shall follow me
uzongilandela
all the days of my
imihla
life.
yonke yokuphila kwami.
Salvation says,
Uthi lithi iBhayibheli
when
ukuthi
the people are pulling you
uma
down,
abantu bekwehlisa
don't return evil for evil.
ububi buyisa ungabuyisela
Salvation
ububi.
says,
Kodwa lithi izwi
love your enemies
thanda isitha
and
sakho
pray for those that persecute you,
ubakhulekela
because that's
abakubethelayo.
where your blessing
Ngoba ilapho isibuso
is
sakho
residing on.
sikhona.
What kind of God is this?
Inhlobona
When a
uNkulunkulu
woman suffering
uma usifazane
with the issue of blood for over 12 years,
umnyaka eyishumi nambili
she made the woman to have the desire inside.
wenza ukuthi abe nokulangasela
And
enhlizweni.
she kept saying to herself,
Wathi kuye enhlizweni yakhe
only if I can touch
uma ngingathinti
the hem of his garment,
uphethwe ngubo
I
yakhe
know that I know that I
yazi
know
ukuthi ngiyazi
that I will be made whole.
ukuthi
What is it
ngizophiliswa.
that you know of him?
Yini lo yazi
Begin
ngaye?
to say what you believe,
Qala usho
because
lokukholwayo.
all your provisions,
Ngoba uyinakekelo
all your breakthroughs
zonke idingo zakho
are upon your proclamation.
asekukhulumeni
If you are
kwakho.
white,
umuthuli
you are not going to get anything.
ngewuthole
The
lutho
blind man,
Oh,
they say you are embarrassing us.
wathi
He
Nkosi
shouted even more.
wamemeza
Shout,
memeza
call upon his name.
biza igama
He will be
lakhe
there for you.
uzokuzwa